Hi guys, this is going to be a review on the Emboss Mod. The Emboss Mod looks like this, and let's get started. First thing you're going to notice with the Emboss Mod is that it has no grips. This makes wipers a little bit more difficult, but I believe that it isn't too bad. As you can see, I can still do some basic wiper combos. That is because the shape of the cap, which it gets bigger as it gets more towards the tip, so it's easier to hold on to. But another thing with the cap is that it is not a perfect circle. I'm going to just roll it because that's the easiest way I can show you. As you can see there, it kind of wobbles. That's because the caps are like ovals. They are not just perfect circles, so that will make the feel while doing wipers a bit more just like different than a normal wiper. But if you get used to it, it's alright. Next thing is that the barrel is kind of thick. If you think that a super tip barrel is thick, then this is like very thick. It's probably like 1 centimeter in diameter, so that's a lot. You do get used to it, and some people like this, some people don't, but I'm just gonna say it because it is something about the mod. So barrel is thick, you just gotta get used to that. Another thing is that it has a lot of center weight. Because there are no grips and because usually you leave the ink in, the barrel has a lot of weight, and the caps, since they are gripless, do not. So the center weight can bother people. I've found that while doing tricks like the backfall, it can be a bit difficult just because the pen loses momentum. But if you're just doing regular tricks and linkages, it should be fine. Next thing is that obviously if you leave the ink in, it can write. So if you're one of those people that want it to write, there you go. And next, something that can happen is that the tips can fall out. So if you're bringing this thing around wherever you go and you're dropping it all the time, you're probably going to lose a tip. Because they're not very securely held in there, they can fall out very easily. I've not had this happen yet, but I have also not brought it around wherever I go. But quick fix to that is super glue. If you want to super glue it, that's an easy solution. So if you're willing to do that, that shouldn't be a problem. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this mod, other than it is about the same weight as the waterfall, but it doesn't feel like the same weight. Because it has a lot of center weight, it feels a lot lighter, I would say, because it has less momentum at the ends. So yeah, that's going to be the the review. I'm just going to say that personally, I do not think this is a bad mod. I like it. It's good. Just I wouldn't recommend it for big busters and continuous trick users because it does not have too much momentum. So if you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like, and as always, leave any suggestions for leave any suggestions for videos or tutorials I should make in the comment section down there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.